I stopped by my local Dollar Tree. In the back to school supplies, I found these clipboards. Headed over to the Wallpaper to see what selections they had and to pick out a couple. They have a pretty good assortment to choose from. Hi there, I'm Poppin' PJ and I am back with my Dollar Tree goodies. Using our Dollar Tree supplies, we are going to do a very fun and easy DIY back to school Dollar Tree hack using our clipboard and our wallpaper. To begin, I placed our clipboard on top of our wallpaper, and I'm just making a line so that I can cut off the excess wallpaper. Chop, chop. Now I am just placing the clipboard on the wallpaper and using a pen or pencil to make a couple of marks that I will need to make for a cutout for the clip portion of the board. Now just using the side of the clipboard to make a straight line, folding this piece over as you can see here, flipping it over, and I'm going to take some scissors and just cut that piece off. We don't need this piece, throw it out. Now I am going to take the wallpaper and place the cutout right at the level of the clip on the board. I am now going to start peeling part of the back side of the wallpaper off, as you see here. I am going to abut the cutout to the metal clip on the board, placing it just so that the cutout will match the metal plate. Now I am going to take and remove the rest of the backing off of the wallpaper, and then ever so carefully, I'm going to slide my hand across the paper onto the board to make sure it is nice and flat. The wallpaper lies down very nicely. The nice thing about doing this project on this glass table is because the excess that I haven't cut off yet very easily comes off when I need to flip the board over. Okay, the paper is nicely adhered, so now we're just going to pull it up off of the table here where the excess has stuck, flip it over, and now we are going to take and use a detail knife to cut this to fit the edges perfectly of the clipboard. I am using my Fiskars detail knife to cut right along the edge of the clipboard, all the way around. And look how easily this paper can be removed. I will continue this process all the way around the clipboard. Cutting off the excess paper around the metal clip. How easy was that? Pretty easy it was. And look how beautiful this came out. My daughter even said when she saw it, it looks like I purchased it that way. How fun is this to be used for school, back to school, or back to work?